This tutorial is to show you how to create the images which you use as featured images on the website, which show up on the portfolio page like you can see all of these images here. Once you've watched this tutorial, you can use what I show you to create the images which you also can insert into the front page, like on these slider images here. But I've got a separate template which I'll give to you to show you how to do that. It's the same process. So I'll get rid of that for now. So I've got in my folder here, I've got the original piece of artwork which I want to use to create the formatted featured image, and then I've got my PSD file, which is a template which you can use to create the right format. So open up the template first in Photoshop. This is just a thumbnail which I used as an example for a different post. So I'll get rid of that for a minute, and then you want to open up your original piece of artwork which you want to format for the website. So this is your original. It could be any size, shape or dimension. So what you want to do is you want to go to the marquee tool, which is the dotted square up here. Click on that, and then you want to drag your cursor so you select the whole image. Then you want to go to edit and copy, or Apple C, and go into your other file, which is the template, and do Apple V or edit paste. Now you can see here that it's pasted in the new image, but it's way too big for what we need. So you need to go to edit, transform and scale. Now you can see you get these little handles here to hold on to. While you're resizing it, hold down Shift so it keeps the dimensions, and then just drag it down, reposition it, drag it down, reposition, and keep doing this till it gets small enough to actually place and crop how you want it to look on the actual website. Okay, it's almost there. Remember to keep Shift held down so it keeps the right dimensions. That's looking about right for a decent crop for the website, so I press Enter for the changes to become effective. And this is going to be exactly the right size now to go onto the website. So before I upload it, I need to export this. So you want to go to File, Save for Web and Devices. Now you can see your original image at the top and the one that you want to export down the bottom. The layout here might be slightly different depending on how you've got your Photoshop set up, but essentially you're doing the same thing. So you want to export it as a JPEG, so ensure that you've got JPEG checked in this drop down up at the top. I normally go for about 80% quality, that should be fine. And then click on Save, and we're going to call this Featured Thumbnail Coots New. Click on Save, and that's it. You can save the template, so it's there in case you ever need to save out again. Just close down your original piece of artwork, and then you can see that back in the folder now I've got a correctly resized thumbnail which will fit perfectly on the website.